initially when I was starting off, I was just like, okay, everything is about keeping costs low. Let me just go for the cheapest in everything. If I'm going to hire a lawyer, I'm going to go for the cheapest lawyer. If I'm hiring a accountant, go for the cheapest. And then I realized that, oh my gosh, that's a horrible strategy, because the cheaper they are, that means they're less experienced and they leave more loopholes open. And so to correct the mistakes that these, you know, somebody who is more low cost makes, I had to eventually hire somebody more expensive. And then I realized that you pay what you get for, like, and I think it's certain things, it's better to pay more and get high quality service and have a proper thing in place, instead of going with somebody cheap and then getting into all sorts of trouble with it.
Yeah. 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 I couldn't agree more. And that's, again, goes back to the value-based pricing. You get what you pay for. And, when you're starting out, you might not have enough. You got to bootstrap it to an extent. But our goal here is get more leverage, get more flexibility, surround yourself with the right people, and be in a place where you can actually afford to pay a little bit more for better, because it starts to snowball. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.